Hello and welcome to Life on Pig Row. Today I'm going to tell you how I make traditional pea and ham soup. Over here I've got a large carrot and a large onion chopped up. Believe it or not, that is actually carrots out of our garden. We grow lots of different colours. We have some peas here that have been soaked overnight. You need to soak your dried peas for at least 8 hours. And we have this beautiful ham over here which came from our local butchers. It's absolutely massive. It was only £2.99. It just shows that if you buy locally from your high street you get good value for money. First of all, I'm going to saute the carrot and the onions in a bit of butter. I say a bit, probably about a tablespoon. That's going into the pan. As you can see, I've got the jam pan out again. I need the jam pan because of the size of the ham. So I'm going to let this butter melt first. So the butter's now melted, and in we go with the carrots. So, and with the onions, listen to them sizzle. I don't think there's anything better than the smell of onions cooking. I'll put them for a little while until the onions become translucent and the carrots have softened a little. Right, now just taking this off the heat and turn the heat down for a moment because I don't want the onions to burn while I go and get the other ingredients. So I'm just going to move this over here a moment. Now, I probably do this differently to most people. I just put everything in together. It always works for me. Oh, sizzle. I said that pan was hot, didn't I? Give it a quick stir before I go back to the ham. I'm going to take this ginormous ham over. Just drop it onto the peas just like that. I don't really measure the water, just to get enough water to cover the ham. So I'm going to fill the jug up with water now and see how we go. A little bit more. I think that's just about done it. Back on the hob it goes. Now I know this looks like a lot of water, and it is a lot of water, but I don't put a lid on my soup, so it does boil down while it's cooking. And that's it. I don't put anything else in this stage. It's got enough salt already in from the ham and from the butter. At the end I will give it a little taste and see if it needs any more pepper or anything like that, but at the moment that's it. And I just turn the hob up a bit, bring it up to a boil and turn it down to a simmer. And then let it cook for about 2 hours until the peas are very, very soft.
2 hours later.
Right, well the ham's cooked and the peas are soft. And what I'm going to do now is switch off the heat and let it cool a little bit.
What did you do with the ham hock?
Oh, sorry, I put the ham hock over here on the cutting board just to cool down for a little while because it's very hot. I'm going to chop it up once it's cooled. I'm using a stick blender today, just to puree all the peas and make the soup nice and thick. Right, now I've cut the ham up, and as I said, the ham was really large. It's made such a lot of meat. We've got some left over, I think we'll use for sandwiches. I'm going to put this back into the pea soup now. Well, the pea soup is actually coming to a boil, which I don't really want, so I'll just turn it down. And all we do is tip that ham back into the soup, just let it cook through for a little while longer. The pea and ham soup now is ready. I let it simmer for another half an hour and now it's really thick and delicious. Served with some crusty bread, it's a meal in itself. So happy eating and bye bye from Life on Pig Row.